Hello everyone, this is a little project I'm working on for people that have 3D printers. What I've done is I've modeled some pieces that pop into the grooves on here. It allows you to, this will pop into this channel. See how it stays on there? It stays on there, slide up and down. You get different lengths of these so you can space this up so you can have your bar at a certain length. I wanted mine up here. So I've got a, I think I've got a 30 millimeter. Yeah, it looks like 30. All right. And this is so you have holes to drill with. Now, pretty cheesy trying to hold this up there and mark it and drill it. It's a nightmare. I've seen all the videos. This way you get it there. It's going to be where you want it. You can take your crossbar and get it set up like you want and get the width right. Now you can come in here, you can drill these, and they're not through on the backside, so it will grip on the backside too. Now once you've got your bar all together, then you just put it up here and screw it in. It's all done. Now, this is going to keep it from moving, of course, because it's going through the metal. It can't go up and down. But if you unscrew it, it will release it, and you can remove it, and you can take a screwdriver, and this pops right out of the channel. So this is going to be a way to allow you to put a screen door on without butchering your screen door. I don't have the trailer near the house right now, so I can show it better. We haven't had it very long, and I've been really, really sick. Some of you may know. But this is the best I can do right now, and I want to hurry up and get this out because I've had a lot of people want me to get it out there for them. So I'm sorry this is taking so long, but this is going to make everybody's life a lot easier. Now here's for the other side, and then I just move over here, and it will just snap in on this side. Pop.